Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Gitter Official. In this video, we're going to talk about the brand new May 2026 Windows 11 25H2 update, which is now rolling out as this month's Patch Tuesday release. This is the latest B-release update from Microsoft, and it brings a mix of important security fixes, stability improvements, and several new features that were previously introduced in the optional update from last month. And honestly, some of these additions are actually pretty interesting, especially for gamers and power users. So in this video, we'll be covering build 26200.8457, also known as KB5089549. We'll go through all the important changes, hidden improvements, fixes, and new features included in this update so you know exactly what's new before installing it on your PC. And if you enjoy Windows 11 update videos like this one, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official with notifications turned on, so you never miss future Windows updates, tech news, and hidden feature videos. Now let's get started. How to install the update. First of all, if you want to install this update right now, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 PC. Then go into Windows Update and make sure the option called Get the latest updates as soon as they're available is turned on. After that, simply click on Check for Updates, and this security update should appear automatically on your system. The update itself is not very large in size, so installation should be fairly quick on most devices. Now let's talk about the most important improvements. Microsoft says this update includes all the new features and quality improvements that were previously part of the April optional updates released earlier last month. So if you skip those updates, you'll now receive all of those features automatically with this security release. Along with that, Microsoft has also fixed a large number of security vulnerabilities in Windows 11. According to Microsoft's official security guide, this update patches multiple vulnerabilities affecting different parts of the operating system. That's why it's always recommended to install at least one security update every month because these updates often contain critical fixes related to Windows security, reliability, and system stability. Microsoft has also republished several non-Microsoft security fixes related to apps and browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other Chromium-based software. So this update is definitely important from a security standpoint. In addition to security improvements, Microsoft is also improving Windows Update reliability by expanding Secure Boot certificate deployment for supported devices. Devices will now receive these new certificates gradually through a controlled rollout process to improve update success rates and reduce installation issues. Now related to BitLocker, Microsoft has fixed a major issue where some PCs were unexpectedly entering BitLocker recovery mode after recent boot file updates. According to Microsoft, systems with certain TPM validation settings and invalid PCR7 configurations could trigger recovery mode after installing the April 2026 update. Thankfully, that problem has now been resolved with this release. There are also improvements related to connectivity and networking. Microsoft says they improved the reliability of SSDP notifications to help prevent certain network services from becoming unresponsive during usage. New features rolling out. Now moving on to the new features that are expanding to more users with this update. One of the biggest additions is the new Xbox gaming mode experience for Windows 11. This basically gives supported devices a more console-like full-screen gaming interface designed especially for Xbox Game Pass users. The new mode not only improves the gaming experience visually, but Microsoft also says it can help improve performance and reduce background distractions while gaming. I already made a dedicated video covering this new Xbox mode in detail, so definitely check that out if you want a full breakdown. Microsoft is also rolling out several File Explorer improvements in this build. This includes better folder view consistency, faster launch times, and improved overall performance. There's now a new option inside File Explorer settings called Enable Window Preloading for faster launch times, which helps certain File Explorer components load more quickly in the background. In addition, Microsoft has fixed several visual glitches including white flashes inside File Explorer and Task Manager. More archive formats are now supported, and Explorer.exe reliability has also been improved. Another noticeable change is the redesigned drop tray experience. When dragging files around the desktop, The pop-up preview is now smaller and less distracting compared to the previous version. Microsoft also moved the drop tray settings into system multitasking, where users can manually enable or disable the feature. Microsoft is additionally rolling out new Taskbar AI agent integrations and expanding support for the Resume feature. Previously, Resume mainly worked with Spotify, but now support is expanding to certain Microsoft Office apps and Samsung Internet as well. There's also a new shared audio feature on the taskbar for supported devices, along with a new option during Windows setup that finally allows users to skip updates immediately during installation. Inside Settings, Microsoft redesigned the Developer Mode dialog found under System Advanced Settings. Printer settings are also receiving improvements with a new badge indicator for printers using Windows Protected Print Mode. Privacy and security settings now include a new foreground text access page, and Microsoft has improved Windows Update descriptions, especially inside delivery optimization settings. The Windows Insider Program page inside settings has also been optimized to load faster and display build information more smoothly. Touch keyboard users will also notice improvements to voice typing animations and the overall typing experience on touchscreen devices. For advanced users and administrators, Microsoft added new controls inside Group Policy Editor that allow additional Microsoft Store package family names to be removed automatically for newly created users. This gives admins much more control over default app deployment. Windows Security now also displays the status of secure boot certificates directly inside device security settings, making it easier to monitor system protection status. There are also several app updates included in this rollout. Microsoft is reducing AI integrations in some apps, including Widgets and Snipping Tool. Meanwhile, Notepad's Copilot branding has been replaced with the new Writing Tools name, which can still be disabled manually from the app settings if you don't want AI features enabled. Microsoft Paint is also getting a new watermark option for AI-generated content, and the Copilot app itself has received improvements including a refreshed startup experience and direct link handling inside the app instead of opening everything in Microsoft Edge. Beyond these changes, Microsoft has included many smaller fixes and under-the-hood improvements across Windows 11. As usual, the servicing stack has also been updated to improve update reliability and future installation success. And the good news is that Microsoft currently says they are not aware of any major issues affecting this release. So at the moment, this update appears to be relatively safe and stable for most users to install. If you want more detailed coverage of every hidden change and feature included in this build, I'll also be covering additional improvements in upcoming videos here on the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official with notifications turned on so you don't miss future Windows 11 updates, hidden features, optimization guides, and tech news videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.